broccoli working. Butter, garlic. You got mashed potatoes, right?
Yeah, I guess I'm not there yet. Can I get a 4-ounce soda, please? Thank you, brother.
And that gets the chimichurri sauce, okay. And that's the filet mignon medium rare. Okay, sauce on the side.
Okay.
Filet mignon medium rare.
Walking in, French dip fries.
French dip fries.
Just oil, salt, and pepper, just to get a good coating on it before I throw it in the broiler. But it's going to hang out there for a minute because I'm still waiting on that steak.
Oil, salt, pepper.
Yep.
What's in that sauce?
This is gremolata.
Remoulade.
Herbs and onions and lemon.
In the orange sauce?
Oh, the orange, that's roasted red pepper sauce.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Lemon zest.
Cute. Right? Salmon with the quinoa.
So it's quinoa, salmon, roasted red pepper cream sauce, gremolata, pepper curls, and that is a lemon asparagus. So it's asparagus.
This is lava cake, yeah. Key tools, spatula, the correct tongs, and the jalapeno bacon mac. Wait till the end to drop the mac. Okay. Thanks, Trent.
It's pretty much done.
Huh?
It's pretty much done at this point.
Oh, okay.
Just let it hang out. First, bacon, or however you want to do it at.
Bacon bits,
Jalapenos.
little halves. Caramelos. Got that. The gravy.
Almost. Just a So I'll saute all this off first. And after throw shallots. Just saute that. And once it gets that one hard, I should go with a big glaze before
Glaze of it.
I just deglaze with a little white wine.
A white wine.
A little bit of white wine.
Okay.
It's 2 scoops and a half. Just a little
Okay.
bit.
Red pepper sauce.
I'll throw in New York. So
No, this is the 3 cheese sauce.
Oh, that's cheap.
Yep, and that's the cheese sauce.
Okay.
What's up?
Throw New York on here. It's going to be just from the 21st, and they're starting to look like that. We have a lot. I feel bad, like we have a lot of them, but they're starting to go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Preppers. That's pretty much it.
Okay. Okay. 5 to 6 minutes. Trim.
Just gotta clean this bowl here.
Goes in a quinoa bowl.
Yeah.
Fajita, New York strip medium, kids burger fries, shrimp pasta. You got that shrimp on the side. What does it say? To go. Shrimp on side to go. So I got this. I got throw the burger down.